Okay, so as you can see, the water light is blinking. I mean, the new machines have, it tells us whether it's water or cartridge. The older machines don't have anything there, it's just a blinking light. So if it's the left water light, you put water in it and it goes off and the blue light comes on. But when the cartridge light comes on, you can still use the power button. By the way, you see all these bubbles here? That's just because there's plastic. This is a piece of plastic that protects all this. I guess like a sticker. I can just peel it off, just in case anybody's wondering. And so, in order to get the cartridge to shut off, you have to put a little there's a little button inside of this hole. So you would want to take a toothpick, right? So here's a toothpick. I'm going to get out of here. All right, so I have a toothpick. So I would basically go in here and just go to the very end and press the button. I'm not going to press it because I'm not trying to reset mine yet. But basically, you'll basically just reach to the very end. It doesn't go very far. And then when you're down in there, you press it until you just hear a click. Let me see. Oh, is this not reaching? Maybe my toothpick's too big. Oh, no, there it is. It did press the button. Very quiet. I pressed it a bunch of times. But that should make the light go off. And that lets you know that you've put a brand new cartridge in. So you take the old one out, you put the brand new cartridge in, and it's a good idea to put a little label on it and write the date. Write the date that you put the brand new one in. And then you reset it. That way your machine knows how many times you've pressed the button and how long it's been running, and it calculates when you're going to need a change of a cartridge. All right, and but usually it doesn't blink before you really need to change it. So the manufacturer suggests that you change it once a year. I've gone much longer than that with mine, but just to be safe, and this is an investment, and the machines are very expensive, so you don't want to take a risk. So changing it once a year. I mean, obviously, if the light hasn't come on and it's been a year and a couple of months, it's not going to be a big deal. So, but just order it, get it put in. While if the cartridge light does come on, you can keep on using your machine after you order your replacement cartridge. And you can keep on using your machine until you get your replacement cartridge. Once you get your replacement cartridge, you switch them out, reset. That should be good. All right. I hope that this was informative. And if you have any questions, you're welcome to give us a call here at Holy Hydrogen. Have a great day.